Good morning. Good morning. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Today is May 28th, Friday just before Memorial Weekend. Actually, it's the start of Memorial Weekend. What am I talking about? Uh, Here we're looking at Matic, Polygon, MATIC. There's news that was released an hour ago. It's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This was released at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. ERC20 versions of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and others get a bridge to Polygon. Will Polygon move today? It probably will. It probably will, is as this news circulates throughout the crypto people. So get ready, as this coin will make a move. I just want to look at some other coins and as well as Matic. Let's see, bring up Matic first of all. And as we bring up Matic, you'll see here on the chart that it had made an immense move through since Saturday and Sunday when I alerted it at 80 cents. This was thanks to a good friend of mine, Wayne, blockchain Wayne. And as this stock went up, as this crypto coin went up to $2.20, it hit a resistance level at, I don't know, I believe it was 224. We're just waiting for it to download here. And once it downloads, you'll be able to see it much clearer. It's amazing that internet has been upgraded in my home and it's still very slow. So I don't like these line charts, but this is a chart just so you can see here. This is since 14, I believe. It says 2019 here, but you can see where Matic hit a high of what was it, 255, I believe it was on this day, 245, and then it went back down to 80 cents. This is where we caught on the weekend, and then it went up to 220, and it's down somewhere around 190ish right now. But I want to take a look at that a little bit closer because this is all the charts. So let's see the last 7 days to make it more clearer for people. As we wait for this chart to come up, you'll be able to see it much better, just like I do. Um, let's do the monthly chart. I don't like that 7-day chart. It doesn't look too clear. We're using different software so people can see how the softwares work. This is CoinMarketCap. It's a software that I came across because of the book that I was listening to, the Bitcoin, the Future of Money. So you can see here how this coin was on Sunday right here, which was May 23rd at 2 p.m. It was at around 80 cents. And we happened to jump in. I alerted it to some of my friends. It came up to 220, 229 actually, right here. It had a double top right in here. And then it just went back down to 170-ish and 169.98. And now it's back at 196. I believe this is going to go down at least to this level right here, to the 150-ish area. As I said earlier in other posts, I don't believe that the stock market as well as the crypto industry are on a complete bullish run yet. I believe we're going to have to wait at least another week or two through and around June 15th. It could be earlier than that, could be later than that. And that's why I tend to show some of the trades that I tend to invest in for the longer run, and that way you can get a better sense of what's going on in here. Now let's take a look at some of the Ethereum and Ethereum competitors, and that's where we're gonna find some information here. So Ethereum is at 2600. It's down 6.87% right now. Is it a good buy? I mean, hey, not buying is the worst thing you can do. Buying is an investment for your future in the long run. This is where it's at right now. Let's just take a look at the last month to make it even a little bit more clearer. Um, so again, this chart, I don't really like the way it looks because I can't see much. Let me see if there's a way to, whatever I did there, I don't like it. Let's see if we can make it any better. Okay. In the last 7 days, you can see that Ethereum has made a move very quickly. It's going up and down, and you could make 10%, you can lose 10%. As I said, okay, let's see if we can get a better chart here. Let's see, give me a moment. All right. So that's the last month, and now let's see the last 7 days. It was down at 1900, which would have 1700. It was down on May 23rd on Sunday, which would have been a great dip buy for many. And most people don't buy. I don't know why, but they wait until these coins are up into 5,000 or 4,000, and then they want to buy. But then what happens when it comes down here? They don't want to buy. This is the best time to buy. If you bought up there, that's fine. Hold on to it. Don't sell it. Why would you sell when you're going to sell it for a loss? In the long run, you're going to make money. In the short term, you're not. You probably have, you can't handle the butterflies in your stomach or anxiety and so on. Relax. It's going to get better. So let's look at some of the other ones that Ethereum is in competition with. It is Stellar. I believe it's XLM. Yep, that's it. And this is at 39 cents a share, a coin. And you can see it's down 10%. It's a good dip buy right now. Let's see the chart as it loads up. Wow, these softwares are very slow. Pardon this software, but that's what happens as you attempt to go live with these softwares, these newer softwares, so that you can see much clearer what's going on. So we'll look at the last year in reference to this one. If it comes up, as it's saying, please wait. We are loading chart data. As a chart data loads up, XLM is ahead of Ethereum in that they have uh, the newer methods of, I guess, for lower gas fees is what it is. You can see here this XLM Stellar is consolidating right here in this area at 40-ish cents area. So it's right in here. That's not a bad dip buy, although I think it's going to come down even further to the 30-ish area in the next few days. It's up to you. Here, it's not a terrible investment. I would invest right here, and I would invest down here as well. So it's not bad to pick up some up here, even 20% if you can of whatever you're attempting to invest, or even 40%, and then maybe hold off in case it drops even further and pick up some more. But it's best to wait and just see where this is going. You can see that it's had an up right here, and then it went back down, and then another one here, and then another spike up here, and then back down. This is a consolidation period right here, but if it dips down below this 30 cents ish area, well, that's what where I believe it's going to consolidate next. The 30 cents ish area, you should make a dip buy right there. What's the other competitor to Ethereum is Binance. Now, Binance has been moving immensely. It's been getting a lot of talk. It's one of the latest coins, and it's uh, at $343 a share is a very, very good buy. Why is it a very good buy? Because it was at 400 plus the other day. Look at it up here. It was at 600. So you're getting a really 672. You're getting a really good deal down here. Don't underestimate Binance. Binance is very powerful. It is one of those crypto coins that is becoming legitimate throughout the world, if not just the United States. Um, and is there any news in reference to this? Let's just see. Let's see. Let's bring it up. Which is some one thing that I forgot to do with the other two. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano post double-digit gains as recovery picks up. That's pretty good news, but that's 3 days old. So you've got to be aware that that will happen. Is that news will pop up and it sounds really good, but then all of a sudden it's not related to the actual day of trading of your investing. So be aware of that, because it's good to jump in if you have access to some news format that you can get it immediate. That's even better, because the earlier you jump in, you'll get in before everybody else jumps in. There's still a slower adaption rate for the rest of the people in the market. So whoever gets news first wins. Some people just watch and wait to see if the news will move uh, the coin, and if it jumps 5%, then they'll jump in. In other words, they're waiting for everyone else to jump in order for them to make a move. Now, for whatever reason, my internet connection is very slow here, so we're just going to look at this one, and then that will be it. Please wait. We are looking for a chart. Um, what else? What other information is available here? So 93 people voted. Place your estimate at least one to see how others estimate. Estimate close. Well, it's already closed. Place your estimate. There's okay. So this is an estimate here of where is this going to go. Estimate stellar price for 630. I'd say it's going to go up above 10% by the end of the month. Above, and let's see how it rates. The estimate is actually 48 cents. So it's a really good dip buy right now. It's at 39. That will bring you up a good 30% gain. 30% gain. That's 9 cents. So get ready for that. Take advantage of it. And that's why this software is pretty good. I haven't used it completely. I only learned about it through the audiobook that I was listening to, Bitcoin, The Future of Money. Very good book. I recommended, highly recommended. This is through the Mastermind Book Club and through CeoTrades. We have posted the review. I will set a link here in this video so that if you'd like to catch the review and catch all the links that this book references to, but still listen to it on your own. It is very, very powerful. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. It's Memorial Weekend. I don't think that most traders and investors will be out there today. They'll be enjoying their weekend with their families. So just be careful, be aware that trading might end early today, and have a good one. Enjoy.